Hey guys, in this video we're going to create a super simple live chat app using REPL AI, and we're not going to write any lines of code ourselves. So let's create REPL. We're going to write this in Node.js and let's call this chat app. Okay, cool. So it set something up. Let's find the REPL AI. And I just want a HTML page that's going to display the chat messages and then let me add more messages to the thread. I want to create a super simple live chat app that has a HTML page that displays messages and lets users send messages. Can you build this? Okay, so we've got some instructions here, which I'm not going to read, but it says we need to make this our index.js code. So I'm going to go to index.js and insert this. And then for the front end, we need to create a folder that's called public and then put index.html into that folder. So whenever it tells you to do something like this, just use the exact same names, make the exact same folder layout, because it'll be referencing that in different code that it writes for you. So I'm going to call this folder public. Oops, I made that that's the wrong thing. Just delete this. That's folder. Okay, so public. And inside there we want index.html. So I'm gonna add a file, index.html, add that, and then I'm gonna just insert this into there. Package.json. Okay, so you want me to go to, let's just move that this way. Go into here, name Node.js. All right, I'll just do whatever you want. Let's just copy this and put it in. And let's go to the shell, which is npm install, and run this command. Actually, before I do that, let me just move this around here, make it super neat, go back into the shell. So it said npm install. Let's run this. Okay, we installed some stuff. Let's go npm start. Okay, so we're gonna run something here. So we have hi there, send. Okay, so it adds a message to the thread. This is working. This is actually crazy. Let's just copy this and see how it is on a web page. So this is gonna be user 1, that's gonna be user 2. Hi there, it's gonna add it. Okay, so user 2 sees it as well. How are you? Adds it as well. This is epic. That's epic. But now we want to make some changes. So I want the HTML page to be formatted a little nicer. Right now the text box only shows after someone adds a message. Okay, let's see what we do here. So we've got some updates to the HTML file. Okay, let's go back into here, just backspace everything and insert this new HTML file. Is there any other thing that we need to do? Nope. Okay, let's just refresh this. Refresh this. Okay, so now it's the full page. Hi there. We don't want full page, but let's just see that this works. And this is user 2. Hello. Cool, so this works. It's a little bit neater. The actual display box is there. I want to make the chat app smaller on the HTML page. Can you make it have a nice interface? I don't want it across the entire page. Okay, we have some new changes. Right, let's just backspace all this. Insert this, refresh our pages. Nice, that looks good. Hi there. Adds it in. How are you? Epic, this is going good. But now, actually, because it just looks like it's one person using this, I don't know who's who. I want a way to distinguish between users of the chat. Okay, let's see what we come up with. So index.js has to change. Let's go into here, copy this, delete that and just insert this. And then our index.html, just backspace everything like we normally do. Is this finished typing everything up? Yes, it has. Let's insert that and let's refresh and see what we come up with. Refresh both pages. Hi there. How are you? Okay, so I mean, it's adding some value, something there. Can you just make it prompt the user's name and then use that? Let's see if it just knows what I mean there. Listens for a set nickname, modifies a chat message. I actually didn't get that anywhere. Okay, so maybe it'll just do it here. So public index.html. When this is done, so that's done. Let's get this HTML page out of here. Insert this. And we have to update the index.js. I'm just going to backspace. Okay, so let's refresh. It didn't change anything. Hi there. Nothing has changed. Can you make the front end UI on the HTML page have a text field for username that is then used as the sender name? Okay, let's just see if this changes it. Okay, some changes to the index.html page. When this is done, we're going to insert it. Pre-delete everything, you know how it goes. Insert. Cool. Let's refresh. Oh wow, nice. So Bart, how are you? Oof, beautiful. And I'm gonna call this Adam, and I am good. Wicked. That is actually pretty neat. Can you make the chat bubbles also distinguish between users? So what do I want? I want, actually we'll just see what happens here. Okay, we're gonna update the HTML page as well. Have we added everything into here? Man, I'm a fiend. I'm just waiting for this code to be done. Okay, let's insert. Any other changes? Do we need anything else here? Nothing. Let's refresh. Bart, hi there. What happens now? Okay, interesting. And it's different color. I like that. And then Adam is, how are you? Okay, this is actually really neat. From here, all I would do is just go through the styling. Like I might change, can you make the text boxes smaller and not smaller? But you see here, we now have a live chat app. And if I take this one more time, I can probably get user 3. So I'm just gonna refresh all these, refresh. That's already fresh here. So I'm gonna say, Adam is this guy, hi there. So we have, okay. Bart is this guy, hello. And this guy is Steve. Yeah, okay. Yeah, with the G. That's crazy. Anyway, whatever, who cares? Hi there. Okay, so it's actually persistent. It keeps the current sender, the current user as the right-hand side and then the other people on the left. So this is literally a live chat app built out in under 10 minutes using Repl AI. This is epic. All right, guys, subscribe to my page and see you later.